I tried print on demand for 1 week and here are the results. The plan was to make a Shopify store, create some designs using Printify, and then post a lot of TikToks to get sales organically. And these are the results I got. Day 1. The first day I started researching which niche I should pick, and while scrolling on TikTok for print on demand, I found some meme t-shirts and thought it could be fun to make some memes myself. So I double-checked on Google Trends and it showed a stable curve. So I went ahead and made my Shopify store. Then I installed the Printify app, which I've partnered with for this video. Then I simply connected my Shopify store. Now I wanted to do t-shirts, but you can literally do all types of clothing and even accessories in home and living. So let me know if you want a Mr. Improved mug. Anyways, I just went into bestsellers and picked a unisex t-shirt. Then I picked a manufacturer from the US since they had cheaper prices. And now for the fun part, the designs. So for the designs, I got inspiration from Google and Etsy. I made some designs, but for legal and copyright reasons, I can't show them, but I didn't do this one or this one. But when you have a design, just upload it here. When the t-shirts were done, I just disabled some of the mock-ups and kept one person. Then I added a title, description, and changed the price to $22.95. That gave us about 50% profit margin. Then publish, and now the design is on your store. I kept making a lot of designs since it didn't really take that long with Printify. And after about an hour, I had 24 designs. Day 2. The second day was a really exciting day. This was the day we were gonna start posting on TikTok. So I made a new TikTok account and added my logo and a description. Yes, that's right, Printify has 2 to 5 days delivery to the US. But there's of course also a production time, but it's only around 1 day. Now since I didn't order the products home, and there wasn't any content online of my product I could use, I decided to use CapCut templates. So I just found a template and added the pictures in CapCut, and it would look something like this. Due to copyright, I couldn't make an example with music, but this is a pretty good way to make a lot of organic content very fast. And this is of course better with multiple designs instead of just 2 pictures of the same t-shirt. Even though this was a masterpiece, the first video got shadow banned. Then I waited 3 to 4 hours and posted again. This time the video only got 1 view. I posted 2 TikToks more, and they also only got 4 and 2 views. Day 3. Day 3, I decided to make a new TikTok account and properly warm up the account before posting, which I didn't do before. Classic mistake. You should spend 1 to 2 days liking, commenting, and following other people. So that's what I did for the entire day of day 3. Day 4. After 24 hours of warming the account up, I logged into the new TikTok account, but for some reason, the account got permanently banned before I even posted anything. I think it was probably because I created too many accounts within a very short time span. But to be honest, I'm not quite sure what I did wrong. I tried going back to the original account that was shadow banned, and the first post I made back on the old account got over 250 views. Day 5. Now that I know the old account was working, I decided to post a total of 4 TikToks on day 5. And in the Shopify dashboard, this actually turned into 63 store sessions and 2 add to carts. But sadly no sales, but pretty good results compared to the other days. Day 6. On day 6, I continued posting more TikToks, and all of them got around 250 views. This gave us 42 store sessions, 2 add to cart, 1 reached checkout, but no sales.
Psych!
We got 1 order for 3 t-shirts totaling $68. Now I think the reason this person bought 3 t-shirts is that I put this announcement bar saying, free shipping over $50. Anyways, a pretty good day for sure. Day 7. The last day I spent editing this video, so nothing really happened. So let's look at the numbers for this week. We got $68.85 in sales. Then we spent $1 on the Shopify plan, $18 on the domain, $33.57 for the production of the t-shirts, and $9.55 for the shipping. That leaves us with $6.73 in profit. Not that much, but profit is profit. Now would I recommend you try print on demand? Yes, why not? We only got traffic the last 2 days. And I think if we weren't shadow banned and permanently banned, we could have made a couple $100s in sales. If you make more designs, keep posting and also post on Instagram and YouTube Shorts. I think it's a pretty good business model, and if you want to, give it a try. Click the link below and install Printify to your store. By the way, if you get the Printify Premium, you get 20% off all products, so that's pretty sick. You can also try Print on Demand with paid TikTok ads instead of organic, and if you want to try that, watch this video to learn more about paid TikTok ads.